Welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. This is our last video in the key of on the key of C sharp or D flat, as it were. I've been doing a couple of beginner videos. I've done 36 for trials on all keys, and you can find it in the description box on my website also, and then in a playlist on my channel. Alright, so after that we did the add 9, and now we are learning the 7th chords. Alright, so we're going to be doing minor, major, diminished 7th. They are all 7th chords. Alright, so in that we've done key C. We are on our second key, and this is the third video on that key. Alright, so in our third videos, most of the times I teach progressions, how to apply whatever you've learned in progressions or in context. So we have learned how to, play major 7th, minor 7th, alright, all the 7th that we need to in the key of C sharp. Alright, so we're going to be playing what I was playing from the beginning, a 4 5 6. So with a 4 you play, then the 5 we use our add 9, then the 6 you can play like this, or you can use any of the inversions, like this, and then you end up at a chord 3. Okay, so it's one song, Spirit Chant has this progression. Hey yeah yeah, hey yeah yeah, hey yeah yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. So that is using the minor 7th, major 7th, your add 9, and you cancel minor 7th like that. So let's do a 2, okay, then to a 6, yeah, then a 1 on the add 9, there's a 5. Now most of the times on the 5 like this chord, you can play it the same way you can play it forward at times too. So you would have to practice how to play. And it has to flow well, so that your play would be somehow organized. And you have to make sure that you are always playing in tempo according to rhythm. You are not just everywhere playing everything at the same time. Alright, so we have our 2, our 3, and then our 4, our 5. Still I like using the add 9 for 5, and then our 6. Okay, so I just remove this one here, or yeah, then the 7, okay. So we have on the 7, if we were to be C, we have a 7, a 2, 4, 7 2 4, and then a 6. So here we're going to be having a 7 2 4 6. Yeah, that's a 7. Okay, all right, so basically that is it for this video. Whenever you're playing your progressions, make sure that most of the time the minor chords, which is a 2, and then the 3, okay, and then the 6, you are using your minor 7th, or you can use the add 9, minor add 9, which will sound like this. That's for the 3rd, and then the 2 will be like this. The 6th. All right, so you can mix them up. So let's do a 6 4 1 5. So a 6 4, and then 1, then a 5. You can do, yeah, then a 6, okay, then a 4, then a 1, 5. So here I can now do, sorry, instead of a 6 I did a 2, so a 6 I can do 6 minor 7, 4 I do a major 7, and then a 1, then a 5, then minor 4, add 9, and then a 5. So now let's do the 2. Then a 1, 5. Instead of these 2, you can do this. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. And before we go, I showed you the major 7th, in the key of C. So let me show you in the key of C sharp. So you have, then this C comes here, like this. Then you omit the 3rd, then you can use it to play a chord 1. You can use it to play a chord 3. You can use it to play a chord 4. You can use it to play a chord 5, a chord 6, a chord 7, and then a 1. This chord, if this 5th note comes here, becomes